Welcome to AdPeekr, platform that sends you real-time alerts the moment a competitor launches a new ad. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up a LinkedIn ads alert in under a minute. Before you search, you'll notice a filter icon right next to the search button labeled Ads Channel. Click it. You'll see 4 options: Meta, Google, LinkedIn, TikTok coming soon. Select LinkedIn to make sure you're subscribing to LinkedIn ads specifically. Now type in the name of the brand you want to monitor and hit search. AdPeekr will pull up matching advertisers running LinkedIn ads. When you find your competitor, click on its name and you will see all of their active ads on LinkedIn. Simply click Set Alert. And that's it. AdPeekr will now monitor their LinkedIn ads, video, image, and text around the clock. The moment they launch a new LinkedIn ad, you'll receive an alert, typically within 0 to 4 hours of it going live, straight to your email and dashboard. LinkedIn ads alerts on AdPeekr. Set up in seconds, running around the clock. This is how simple AdPeekr works. Thanks for watching.